Bitcoin futures, it did appear that Bitcoin futures were just taking a bit too long to consolidate through this level here. For anyone new, these levels show the previous all-time high and the highs of that range. This is the secondary breakdown line. This is where the market attempted to consolidate in response. It eventually failed and price consolidated down here, but that left supply within this range here, which needed absorption at a later date when it was challenged. That's what we saw through here before price pushed up to the secondary breakdown line. There's 1 week consolidation, price pushed up again, and now it's been trading at the highs of the old range and the all-time high sideways for what I would consider a bit too long. Generally, a market will get this done and move higher in response. We've got the lows of the range coming through here. Price did try to hold on this week, and on the daily chart you can see there's some buying support emerged. So there's an attempt to support the market. But just looking at it and where the market is now and the difficulty there's been for this market to consolidate, I'm starting to wonder if we'll see a shakeout in response. Something like this bar or this bar, where the market really dips lower, threatens any sellers in the market before recovering to close back near its highs. Then there may be a shakeout and a test before there is any serious attempt to push higher. That'll see the market moving around this 60,000 level, which will really test out how strong some of the holders are at the moment. If price threatens this level, you may see a serious increase in volume as it does so. Sort of like occurred here on this shakeout sort of bar here. Then there was a secondary shakeout which had less volume and shows you that the people that were threatened had sold on this bar or throughout this period and weren't in the market, and that's why volume was lower down here. This has been going on for quite a while. The market had difficulty moving higher even after this. Won't surprise me if you see a shakeout in the next week or so to really threaten some of these sellers and hopefully remove them from the market. That being said, there was some buying support emerge later in the week, this week, on the daily chart, and that's partly why the market didn't really close very much lower than the previous bar's low.